am today here to tell a story. I am Pooja Chevaria. I am currently studying in class 10th in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Khetri Nagar, and I wish you all of you a very happy Jayanti of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Today, I am telling a story of a boy who was not even allowed to sit in a classroom properly, but grew up to write the constitution of the largest democracy in the world. Yes, I am talking about Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. He studied like his life depended on it. He studied like his life depended on it because it did. He studied at prestigious institutions like Columbia University and London School of Economics. From being considered as untouchable to becoming the most educated Indians of his time. Born in 1891 in a society divided by castes, he didn't just face poverty, he faced something even harsher: discrimination and rejection. He was denied water, denied respect, and denied basic human dignity. Imagine being treated like you don't belong to your own country. But here's the twist: instead of breaking, he built himself. He was not just professionally an lawyer or an economist, he was a visionary. He wrote India's constitution, being the chairman of the drafting committee. He wrote India's constitution, gave India its constitution, a document that doesn't just run a country, but a document that provides dignity to every single citizen of the country. He didn't just write laws, he wrote hope. And if there's one thing that we can learn from him, it's this: speak up, stand up, learn and grow, and let no one decide your own worth. Let no one decide your own worth. Now, his contributions. They weren't really small. He fought against caste discrimination and stood for equality, justice, and human rights, women rights. And at last, I want to say all of you something that is hit deep inside my heart. It is that if once a boy that is denied to water can become the architect of a nation, then trust me, your story is still waiting to be legendary. Your story is still waiting to be